Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to install Asphalt 8 on your iPhone. Write me if my solution helped you and if you managed to do it on your phone. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the standard application on our iPhone or iPad called Apple Store. Once we're in here, we click on the search box, and in the search box we write Asphalt 8. You can download Asphalt 8, Asphalt 9, whatever. In order to download it, we click Get. But I have a different name now. Here you go. We choose either mobile internet or Wi-Fi. We can choose mobile internet, but we have to turn it on, or Wi-Fi. After that, we turn off the mobile internet. And now the download will go over Wi-Fi. You have to wait maybe a minute, maybe 2 minutes depending on your internet. And this is absolutely free. We will download this game. Also look, you may need to write here the password of your Apple ID before you download, or you can use your Face ID. And if you do that on an iPhone 5, you'll need to be fingerprinted. After that, you'll be able to download this game. It depends on your internet or Wi-Fi, and literally will download in a minute or 5 minutes. After it is downloaded, press open. You have the game opens. Turn the phone over and start playing. If you like this video, put likes. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.